to oppose the motion moved, expressing no confidence in the Council of Ministers, Madam.
Madam Speaker.
Today I am seeing
Hari Babu, yes, continue, Hari Babu.
Telugu Desam Party from Andhra Pradesh. It was founded by late N.T. Ramarao,
10 बार आपको
a
रिक्वेस्ट
great leader
आप मत बोलो कुछ भी
who founded the party
कोई मतलब ही नहीं है आई एम सॉरी
to overthrow the Congress party from Andhra Pradesh.
मैं नाम ले रही हूँ
And
ये क्या
Telugu
होता है
Desam Party
कोई
succeeded
मानोगे ही नहीं
in
आप बात
defeating
को
the Telugu Desam, in defeating the Congress party.
he has started
For a
आपने
period of
करा दिया नो आई एम नॉट
3 decades, Telugu Desam Party is fighting the Congress. Today I am amused to see that the Telugu Desam Party is joining hands with Congress Party in moving the motion of no confidence against Modi government.
व्हाट इज इट
They have right to make friendship with any party. You have right to make friendship with Congress. I don't object. You be friends with Congress party.
आप बैठिए ना
You
मुझे
be
सुनाई
friends
नहीं
with
दे रहा है।
Congress party. You be with Congress side. You oppose BJP. There is
हरि
no problem. There is
हरि
no
बाबू
problem.
एड्रेस टू
But the
चेयर
soul of N.T. Ramarao,
एड्रेस टू चेयर प्लीज
soul of N.T. Ramarao will see what you are doing today in the house. Madam,
बहुत समय दिया मैंने
Madam, the discussion about Andhra Pradesh is revolving about 5-6 issues. Honorable leader of the Congress party,
1 मिनट
Mallikarjuna Kharge ji.
खड़गे जी ऐसा नहीं होता आई एम सॉरी कोई भी रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करे मैंने आपने शुरू किया जब से आधा घंटा भी दिया फिर मैंने बार बार आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ कि आप कंक्लूड करो आपका समय था भी नहीं तो भी दे रही हूँ और सफिशिएंट समय दिया था ऐसा नहीं होता आपने अपनी मांगे सब पूरी करी तभी मैंने दूसरा नाम लिया ऐसा बार बार नहीं होता नहीं बिल्कुल अगर एक वाक्य बोलना हो तो ही अलाउ करूंगी नहीं तो नहीं ओनली 1 सेंटेंस दैट्स ऑल यस कर दीजिए
थोड़ा
एक सेंटेंस बोला है
कहना
मैंने
चाहता हूँ
बोलो।
कि सरकार ने चुनाव
ये क्या?
जीतने के लिए
हाँ
देशवासियों को केवल मुंगेरीलाल के हंसने सपने
जी।
दिखाकर देशवासियों के साथ धोखा किया है जो वर्तमान सरकार है इसको सदन यानी जनता का भरोसा हासिल नहीं
ठीक है।
है मैं आपके माध्यम से देशवासियों से यही कहना चाहता हूँ एक काफिले वालों तुम इतना भी नहीं समझे लूटा है तुम्हें रहजनों ने रहबर के इशारे पर तो इसीलिए ये रहबर
ये हरि बाबू जी।
इसीलिए इन पे विश्वास नहीं है आप मंजूर कीजिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूँ
Thank you, madam.
यस हरि बाबू जी
Thank you, madam, for giving me this opportunity to rise to oppose the no confidence motion moved against Narendra Modi government.
यस प्लीज अब ये
Today I was really
समय है इनके पास
amused to see Telugu Desam party joining hands with Congress.
सबको 5-5
Telugu Desam party was founded by late N.T. Ramarao to oppose Congress politics. He fought against Congress. Throughout his life, he put the Telugu Desam party against Congress. Now, today you have joined hands with Congress. You have right to join. You have right to choose your line. You can do politics on your own. No problem at all.
हरि बाबू एड्रेस टू चेयर
But N.T. Ramarao's soul will affect by the acts what we are doing now in the house today. I really saw Telugu Desam party leader going to the Congress leaders to have floor coordination. I really sad seeing that. I think after so many years of politics, Telugu Desam party taking a stand today is really it is not well to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Sir, Madam,
Yes. Hari Babu, please.
Congress party leader
Talk to chair, please.
shed the crocodile tears
Yes.
on Andhra Pradesh. Madam, when the act is prepared, when the act is passed in Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, in Rajya Sabha, BJP leaders Venkaiah Naidu, Arun Jaitley ji stood for the welfare development of divided Andhra Pradesh. Kharge ji read about the Manmohan ji statement, and he is very much interested to extend special category status to the state of Andhra Pradesh. If they are really interested, if they were really sincere, I am asking one question: why you have not included special category status in the act itself? Why you have not done it? Why you have not done that? At that time, where are you? At that time, when the Bifurcation Act is being passed, Telugudesam Party did not ask what they want for divided Andhra Pradesh. They were shouting justice for Andhra Pradesh. They were shouting equal justice. They have given letter for the division of Telangana and Andhra. At the same time, they criticize the division. I proudly say today, Madam, I believe, BJP believe, if the state is divided, the present residual state of Andhra Pradesh will be developed at a faster rate. And we supported it. We supported it. I will give details. Madam, as far as the special status is concerned, Prime Minister's statement clearly says, people are not clear about special status. Special status does not contain industrial incentives. Special status provides central assistance. Special status to the successor state of Andhra Pradesh, comprising 13 districts, including the 4 districts of Rayalaseema and 3 districts of North Coastal Andhra for a period of 5 years, so as to put the state's finances on firmer footing. Go and sit, sir. Go and sit. You have nothing to do with me. Go and sit.
This is not fair.
Go and sit. We are going to give, I am telling you, we are going to give. We are going to say that.
Hari Babu.
We are going to say, Madam, it is only to put the state finances on a firmer footing. That means the divided state will have financial problems. Therefore, to bring out of the financial problems, to give the financial assistance, special category status was mentioned. Today, after the Finance Commission,
Please go to your seat.
after
all of
the
you.
report given
Go to your
to the
seat.
government, after the government received 14th Finance Commission report, which was adopted by the Parliament. It was a constitutional body. It was a constitutional body. The Finance Committee said we did not make distinction between special and general category states in determining our norms and recommendations in our assessment of state resources. We have taken into account the disabilities arising from constraints unique to each state to arrive at the expenditure requirements. In this regard, we have observed that the northeastern and hill states have several unique features that have a bearing on their fiscal resources and expenditure needs, such as low level of economic activity, remoteness and international borders. Our objective has been to fill the resource gaps of each state to the extent possible through tax devolution. However, we have provided post-devolution revenue deficit grants for states where devolution alone could not cover the assessed gap. We are of the view that interstate inequality is within the policy jurisdiction of the states, and provisioning of adequate resources through tax devolution should enable them to address inter alia inequalities in an effective manner. After 42% devolution to the state, because Andhra Pradesh is going to have revenue deficit, they have assessed the revenue deficit. They have assessed the revenue deficit from the financial years from 2015 to 2020 for 5 years. They have estimated to the extent of 22,120 above crores of rupees to be paid by Government of India to AP government. That recommendation was accepted. 5 years deficit finance is being to be given to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Therefore, in addition to the devolution, whatever the revenue deficit is there, that is being provided to the extent of 22,000 crores. Not only the revenue deficit provided through the budgetary support, the special category status is being promised by BJP. I am not denying it. I am not denying it. Therefore, what we are trying to do is, if the name is not to be given, if there is a problem because of the 14th Finance Commission for declaring the special category state, instead of giving a name, whatever the benefit the special category state will get, that financial benefit we are willing to provide to the state of Andhra Pradesh. That is, I will tell you, sir, I will tell you. That is, the special category state, if it is declared, they will get 90% of the central grant in the centrally sponsored scheme. If the special category state is not being given, that status is not given, the central government will give only 60% of the grant. Therefore, even if this special status is not declared to Andhra Pradesh, the financial benefit that will accrue, if this special status is given, the difference of that grant from 90% to 60%, the difference 30% is calculated approximately at 3,500 crores for 5 years, as mentioned in the then Prime Minister's statement. 17,500 crores were accepted by the Government of India to extend as the special assistance financial package announced to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Sir, Government of Andhra Pradesh has accepted this special assistance, and they requested the Government of India. You finance this 17,500 crores as externally aided loan. That loan is to be repaid by Government of India. That is the agreement in that special assistance package, sir. That is what I am going to say, what I am going to explain. Sir, when Government of India accepted to extend that assistance through externally aided projects, Government of Andhra Pradesh took 1.5 years time. They thought getting external affairs, externally aided assistance is time taking. There are certain problems. Therefore, it is not possible to get external aided assistance. Please consider extending this assistance through the domestic financial agencies like NABARD and HUDCO. This letter was written by the Honorable Chief Minister to Government of India on 3rd January 2018. That was also being accepted by Government of India and by the Honorable Finance Minister. Then the issue came, if this assistance is to be taken as loan by the central government, the FRBM problem will arise for central government. If the loan is to be taken by state government, the FRBM problem will come to state government. Therefore, to avoid the problem of FRBM limits, both for central government and the state government, Finance Minister has suggested a via media way out. You form special purpose vehicles. That loan will be given to SPVs. Then the FRBM problem will be avoided for both center and state. Please avail that. And state government has not come forward even till today with the announced via media model of special purpose vehicles, sir. I am really sorry. When the Government of India is ready to extend the financial assistance to the tune of 17,500 crores, if the government is not ready to accept the assistance, it is a loss to the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is a loss to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Therefore, please don't blame that Government of India has not given any assistance to us. 17,500 crores assistance is being offered to the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, apart from special category status, I categorically state that Government of India is ready to give all the assistance except their name. Today you form the SPV, give the account number, Government of India will deposit the money that is required for you. That is being accepted to you. Today you give the account number, form SPV, give that account to that account number. Tomorrow, Saturday morning, 11 o'clock, the money will be transferred to the account. Please give the number. Please give the number. Please give the number. Therefore, I would like to ask whether you are interested in the financial assistance or you are interested only in the name. In the name or assistance. I will be satisfied whatever the financial benefit that will accrue through special category status. If that money comes, I will be happy to develop the state in a different form. Okay. Therefore, I request the Government of Andhra Pradesh to think about it, sir. Sir, Polavaram project, sir. I will tell everything. I request the Honorable Speaker to give few more minutes, sir. Few more minutes. Some more issues are there. Sir, Polavaram project. Congress party made the act. They have put all the areas which are going to be submerged under Polavaram project in the state of Telangana. Polavaram project is in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Then how the project work will go ahead, sir? Sir, in the very first cabinet meeting after Narendra Modi ji assumed as Prime Minister, they decided in the meeting to take out the ordinance, and in the immediate next session it was passed as an act, and all the submerged areas are being transferred from Telangana state to Andhra Pradesh so as to remove all hurdles in the construction of Polavaram project, sir. Polavaram project was taken as a national project, and so far 6,734 crores were released to the project for a single project by Government of India. Within 2 years of time, Nitin Gadkari ji, Honorable Minister, visited the Polvaram site. He assured it is my personal responsibility to see to it that project will be completed in right time.
Right.
Whether you have confidence or not, he has the capability to complete it. We will complete it. Polavaram project is the lifeline project of Andhra Pradesh. We will complete it at any cost, and we will complete it. Sir, some projects which we have given to the state of Andhra Pradesh, I will just mention, sir. Sir, 85% of the projects mentioned in the Act, Government of India sanctioned to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Even though Section 93 of the Act says that these projects should be established in a period of 10 years. Narendra Modi ji government took only 4 years to start 10 institutions out of 11 that have to be started in Andhra Pradesh. Only one institute, Girijan University, is due, sir. Honorable Minister Prakash Javadekar ji is here. Prakash Javadekar ji will take steps to start Girijan University and complete 100% projects that are to be given to Andhra Pradesh. 2 days back, he has taken steps to start Central University in Anantapur. Even though the Act is not passed in Parliament, classes are going to commence in Anantapur. That is the project we have done, sir. Sir, 5 issues are pending. 5 issues are pending. One is Girijan University, Tribal University, that is to be started by Honorable Minister Javadekar ji. Kadapa Steel Plant, sir, Congress party made in the Act saying that all these institutions examine the feasibility, examine these possibilities, set up committees. Kadapa Steel Plant committee was set up. Committee report was not positive, but Government of India set up a task force how to make it viable, and government is in process of announcing Kadapa Steel Plant. Sir, Vizag Railway Zone. Sir, Vizag Railway Zone is more important to me. Vizag Railway Zone is to be established as Visakhapatnam as the headquarters. A committee was set up. The committee gave a negative report, but Honorable Minister is taking steps how to make Vizag Railway Zone feasible and possible. I am sure Piyush Goyal ji will announce railway zone shortly. He will take a positive decision in this regard, sir. Sir, Duggirajapatnam Port, Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari ji informed the state government, Duggirajapatnam Port is not feasible. Please suggest an alternative site. About 6 months back, he wrote the letter to the state government. So far, state government has not responded. You come out with an alternative site. Tomorrow they will announce the major port construction in that alternative site. Therefore, I am concluding, sir.
Please.
I am asking my Telugu friend. You have moved no confidence motion. Why? Because Modi government has brought the 7 sub-region mandals in Polvaram project into AP. For that reason, you are moving no confidence. For agreeing to extend special financial assistance to the tune of 17,500 crores. Because he is agreeing to give 17,500 crores, are you moving no confidence motion? Are you moving no confidence motion? Because Government of India, which has to start the projects within a period of 10 years, because they have started 10 projects within a period of 2 to 3 years, are you moving no confidence motion? Is it the reason? Please, introspect. Please introspect. You may take your stand. For political reasons, you may take your stand. We are together. For 4 years, we worked together for the development of Andhra Pradesh. For a political reason, you took a different stand. Even though Narendra Modi's government has given the commitment not to Telugu Desam, to the Telugu people of Andhra Pradesh, we continue our support to the state of Andhra Pradesh, whether you are with us, you are not with us. Therefore, without your political support, we will continue to support the cause of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much.
Dr. Jayavardhan. Jayavardhan, next.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, this is the first ever motion of no confidence in the Council of Ministers being brought about in the 16th Lok Sabha. I take this opportunity to express several issues with regards to the state of Tamil Nadu, whereby in certain cases intervention was required by the central government where it had not intervened to solve the problems of our state, and in some cases where it was not necessary for the centre to intervene or exercise its unwarranted excess rights on the state government. My first part of the speech is on the issue of central government use of its excess powers